post up my man picture, every girl have a problem. Listen to me. I don't have nothing on this here. I come ask Ivany, who you post up man with equipa neck and me suck out him neck and chew my one gone right so. See it there? It gone. She, him. Oh, Anthony. Anthony's a batty man. He not tired of get scam. He come like him born for scam him fool. And then he want bribe people with him battymanism. Want tell the people them boy. Then talk me coulda out of my right sensible mind. Figure use my money buy up one bag of phone card just for give away for uno go like my picture and it's not a guarantee. Just imagine me buy all 1,000 phone card, 2,000-3,000 phone card and put them up and give a phone card for uno go like my picture. And then when time uno like my picture and get the phone card, uno can go unlike it. But that makes sense? That don't make no sense, you fucking idiot. Crackhead. I like me if I made it, I'll get that credit there. Cause fastest me unlike that. Me take the credit and unlike you and block you. Tell me now. You will go take up your money out of your pocket and buy one bag of credit and send people one bag of credit and the people them can unlike your picture. And like me, we're going on a promotion. Because by the time I sell like my picture, I get a free promo. I'm going to post you up. That coming like nothing to me. I'm not even for bad delete that. All if you want unlike it, but I'm not even for bad delete that. Because that coming like nothing to me. Because I know you're going to gain followers. And you always want more followers. Credit is the least. Credit is the least. If I want credit, I'm going to take for some credit off a mother phone. I mean, I'm going to a white man can send me credit. I mean, I have money can buy my own credit, put in my pocket. But for buy credit, thousands of credit, for get one up on Instagram for like something for me win, that means that your fans them not support you. You don't have no real people on your IG. You don't have no real people on IG. Because if you can't bribe them for credit, we are going to cost you. Your people them not love you and support you. And he might tell me say, let me tell you something with me. He might tell me say, at the page of my teeth, I make me get so much. I make me win the competition them. But now I ask you, right now if all of them page are gone, right now if all of them page are gone, I'm going to make a new page without, I have to promote it for none of them page. I know say I gain back my followers them. I now ask you. My real original page that I build and get my followers them did almost reach 100k. When that the page I get take one me did then a 70 point add k followers. My real original page I never take from nobody. When my build and grow it there 70 add k followers and it did almost reach 100k. And I tell you something. Right now, if the one of them 3 page upon IG with my alpha going and me make back a page, I not ask Christ if me not give back my followers them. Because one person I got did it for say Ivany and follow back Vani. Follow Vani new page. And remember, me have artists that can share me. Me don't even need artists for share me neither. I have people differently who love and support me. As them see me, but them start share me. And then I take 1, 2, 3 for gain back followers. Me know how to gain my followers them. Unlike you. Yeah, cause I have real people who support me out there. Make sure know that. So them all of them a page will go where them can't take down if them want. Me can build a page and show. Look on the page I build the other day. I build as a backup page. That page there must be about 15,000 odd K followers. Soon I'll pass out year one them where you struggle with too much years right now. I never see something. You know, so sometimes you might join a competition and you hurt. Keep it to yourself, but God know you just show us you're fully hurt. You're fully 100% hurt. Jaja. I said just be the man make a look a video and me laugh. But then when I see live a while ago, I said John was trying to take this to a next level. You take this to a next level, Anthony, Jesus. I see me a real girl. Go and go screw up on the girl with name what's she name in a D jump a competition. See me not even a penny the competition, can't even remember what it name. The man page when name did jam. Me comment on the girl video when name what's the name expression or I don't know what she name. But I like that video and I comment on the video and say this bad. You hear me I tell her? The same competition when me in a second place now for most likes win. And the girl we're in a lead right now. Me comment, scroll and you will see. Me comment and me like that video and me comment and say that girl yeah bad. And she deserve her winning. Man I ask you, much as how everybody else want win, much as how me want win, man I ask Christ, she bad. And if she win, she deserve it fairly because she bad. Especially look at something one time, especially look at thing when she hold lamp on the grill and she pump up that bad. I watch the video over 10 times. I say blood clot. That girl are bad. You see people bad, people forget them bad. I'm not gonna come on live. I'm not gonna come on live and cuss and say, oh no, don't like the girl video and report it. And me can't take down all the video if I want to take it down. And me love the girl because no bad mind not in me. You see what I do? As much as though I can't even catch up back with her, I still promote it fairly. I don't like bad mind people. Bad mind people like Anthony. What I say? As much as though I can take down the girl video, that not even in my intention, I promote it fairly. You realize what I do? Sometimes I screenshot it and post it back and I say, Bombat, I'm almost in a lead. Wanna please go like this, wanna please go do this. And then something them I do. I still promote it. Some people that get vexed and delete all them videos and say, Cho, can't bother. I still promote it. I still share it and say, people, wanna keep on like, wanna keep on comment, wanna keep on share. Me have my 3 pages and I promote it on my 3 pages. Then I've never attempted to report our video. I've never attempted to delete our video. Me no come on live and say nothing bad. When me do come live, the only thing I say, or me I be gonna just share and like my video over the jam page. I know me not say nothing bad about the girl. Me make sure like and comment on it because girl bad. So when bad man Anthony, me not like people bad mind and stay so. And you know, so I never ever join the competition. Actually, I see me in the competition, I join it. Yeah, that's just it. Who the fuck is Junior? If Junior never comment back, my block you. I go to Anthony and them fake page them. Well, I'm going to go back up and see who name Junior for blocking. Look at all the next competition. Gunshot in my head, blah blah blah. Why you take me fear that? And I hope you get some gunshot in your anus, your big dirty anus. I rebuke you in the blood of Jesus, you old devil. And who send them devil here over here? Back to him, yes, you know. Look at all this other competition I'm join this today. I'm join the competition today. Look there, I'm not even a lead, you know. And most likes make you win it. Most views make you win it. And most comments. And one girl did their lead. And I could have taken down her video. I could have said some bad mind things. And I just load them. I just load them. Look at the competition with Stunner keep. Any people free for join that competition with Stunner keep. Stunner give away one iPhone and some earpods and one bag of shit in my give away. And the competition is every week thing. Every week thing. So the person with the most likes I go win an iPhone and an earpod. And anybody can join the competition, you know. Anybody can join the competition. And me can join the competition. And what? Me don't join. Not saying that I don't need the iPhone. Me can join it, win the iPhone and give it to somebody, or just win it for the fact and sell it. But I don't. What I do? I like everybody picture what Messi Stunner put up in the competition about what I'm naked. Everybody. The only thing I'm gonna do is comment. Because I don't have time for comment. Comment no count anyways. It's just likes. I'm like everybody picture. I'm share them picture. I share who asked me to share it. Because I'm not going to get up and share everybody picture. Because I don't even know who not like me. Who from understand? But I just like everybody picture. If you go over there, you see my name like everybody picture in the competition we still now keep. Who beg me to share it, me share it. So I don't understand why people have a bad mind. I win all heap of competition where I can't even count them for my finger, for my toe. I can't even count them. I win no much money. At 2 times I win 100 USD. No, I lie. I win 1,000 US already. I win 500 US. I win 300 US. I win 450. I win so much. I win 25 grand. I win so much money per IG. I win so much wig. I win so much clothes. I win so much shoes. I win this big old black cloth. Makeup mirror. I leave one bulb in my house so that the one mirror they bright up the whole house. Stunner buy me a TV for my birthday. Big old flat screen TV. The amount of things I win. So I don't see why I go bad man somebody in one competition and take down them video or take down them picture. Nah, I go do it. Me just continue to promote my little thing fairly. I not use auto likes. I not believe in them something there. Black you again. Anthony be making bare fake pages text, man. You hear us them showing shot. Stop fucking in your body. Watch you know, me now make you devil take me over, you know. As me I say. Me not bad man them with them. Me? No, sir. It matter about delete page. Right now, if them for delete Anthony page, nobody not follow you, you know, because them are tired of your Anthony girls, them. Because remember, that is the only thing where you have to keep up your page, you know. That's the only thing you have to keep up your page, you know, is show your girl them a flick like black ninja all over the place. One flick go south, one flick go north. East and west. Eh? That's the only thing you have to keep your page active is your one bag of ninja turkey them. Your black ninja them. Where you flip all over. And unlike me, where I have my personality where just can't change and not change. And unlike me, where Vani just always funny and just I just Vani that. This a Vani and now go not one way. So we always have my followers and man can always keep them up. So nobody I think me I same thing. I say something bun the little boy and I say, boy gone. I say the thing bun him. It hurt him your fat. Sure. Me don't know if it's an issue. That's why I'm taking more because I don't know him gender. I'm have sense to hear. I have only sense. Don't think me take the competition this serious neither. Because when I look on the competition, you know, I see it have 32 posts. You see him? That's the one for say if you win some shit got fired. I see it have 32 posts. I'm doing my thing to myself. It's not Anthony picture alone come out. If you're counting an order from 1 go to 15, you realize say 15 must drop out and 13. Couple of the pictures them will drop out. For what reason I don't even know. You understand? Back to me I say now. I see 32 posts on the page. You understand? 32 posts on the page. When me scroll down now to see the first picture, because me I look to see the first picture posted April 2019, 2015. Me I look for them 2000 add there to see how long the page is there on Instagram. The very first picture them post was posted the 22 of February. Simple mean that means that it posts February the 22, 2020. Simple mean is a new page. You see me? Simple mean it's a new page. We just come up with something. Say, alright, bam. We're going to keep a competition. And them just make a page and keep a competition is a fake competition. When them reach the amount of followers them get, them delete everybody picture and call it a day. And if them want to take me out of the competition for talk through, them can take me out. I just saw me see it. You understand? I just saw me see it. But as me say, the reason why I'm a giant is because I say Anthony Giant, I want to give him head. Because I have sense and I see through everything. Tell me now, if a page was there, for real, it could have at least show you, say, the first picture I post was from 2019, 2017. Why this a page I just new so? And it just post up 132 posts upon the page. And when you scroll down now for say the first picture we post on the page, it now show you in 2019, it now show you in 2000 and that. It even show you 2020. It just show you the 22 of February. Then if it go show you the 22 of February, then must the 22 of February 2020 go up. And it not even have some old picture. It not even have some old picture. It not even have some old video. This is a long time page. It's a new page. What if the picture them art? I just saw it go. Well, let us see. Who remember one competition I made join? Who remember one competition I made join? The man tell me say, we are going 3,000 US. And when the day of the blood clock competition fit done, can you find that page? You know what man do? I'm telling you what man do. The man delete everybody picture off of the page, and what you call it now in this twin page, what they say we do to your page again? So yeah, when you take down your page, so nobody in the seat and then you put it up back, him disabling page. Yeah. You name black me, you know. Him take down everybody picture and disabling page. Recently now, me see a girl that said me want competition, said that man ya keep competition. Me say me friend the man scam me the 3,000 US, my mark him face go and my mark him face come.